Hey, it's Sarah Clay. Welcome to the Sarah Clay LinkedIn Live Lounge here at the Business Show. And I'm sitting on the purple sofa with the fabulous, wonderful Michell Noel. Hello, Michelle.
Hi, Sarah. Really lovely to be here.
Fantastic to have you. So I met Michelle. I'm not sure whether it was on LinkedIn or whether it was in person. I can't really remember, but we've definitely connected more on LinkedIn. And I want Michelle to tell you about her branding and design agency that she's running.
So, I run a branding and design agency, and we specialize in making design accessible for all. So, yeah, and we work with clients across hospitality, B2B, and events.
And how long have you been going?
So, we've been going about 10 years now.
Wow, and how many staff have you got now?
So, there's a team of 8 of us now. So, yeah, it's grown massively over the last couple of years, and it's enabled us to take on new clients, which has been fantastic. And I've got a fantastic team behind me.
That's brilliant. And do you use LinkedIn at all to get clients?
We use LinkedIn a lot, actually. It's one of our main strategies for new business. For us, like LinkedIn has been really good in meeting new people, networking with new people, and just generally getting our message out there.
And you're saying we, so did the whole team use LinkedIn? Or?
Yep, so the whole team, we actively encourage it. We do internal training as well to help everybody understand like the benefits of LinkedIn. And I think it's really important to get other people to build their own networks as well and actually progress and grow for their own career develop in the future. And I think LinkedIn is a really key point for that.
Yeah, I agree. And I think that's more and more that employees are using LinkedIn for their own thought leadership as well, aren't they? Which is just brilliant. And it's great that you encourage it, but you don't make them do it.
No, I think it has to be something where it has to come from them. Not everybody wants to be active on social media. Other people are a little bit more quieter and actually don't want to push themselves out into the forefront, whereas we have got some people in our team who actually want to be commenting on people's posts, want to be interacting with other people in our industry and outside of that, and LinkedIn's a really good tool for that.
I agree, and you're right about not everybody is an extrovert and wants to talk, but the quieter people can perhaps support the champions.
That's it. We have a lot of people in our team who also prefer to maybe be like reposting things and helping other people, or essentially just liking their posts as well. And it's about essentially helping people to increase their reach. So I think every little bit is helping.
Absolutely it is. Now, since Michelle and I met, we've actually been talking about a little collaboration.
Yes, we have.
It's very early stages at this point, but what should we say? Watch this space?
Yeah, definitely. Watch this space, and we'll be announcing something soon.
We will.